Good morning, viewers from Mega World in Bacolod City. Well, it's the Masskara festival at the moment, and today is the biker meetup day. Yes, it's the Unity ride. So today I expect to see lots of big bikes. I'm down here now at the bottom of Mega World by Lopez's department store. And this is where everybody meets up. Before I do anything, let's go and look at some bikes. There should be some great ones here today. Well, the most popular bike here seems to be the BMW GS 1200. There's plenty of them. There's also quite a few Triumphs around. And a few other Japanese brands, Kawasaki's, Suzuki's. Some really big bikes here today. There's a Unity ride, I think about 10 o'clock in the morning, which goes down to Bacolod City. At the moment everybody's just meeting up here. It's still only early in the morning, it's only 8:30. Not sure what time all these guys arrived. Some nice gold wings around as well, actually, Honda gold wings. Cross between a bike and a car, really.
Did you ride your bike coming here?
Yeah, I ride my KTM 400 Wonderful.
And here's more Honda gold wings. What great condition they're all in. They look like new. Probably 20 years old. Ducati. We have a great selection of bikes here. Come from all over the country. Plenty of Harley Davidsons as well. Triumph have a stall here. a couple of bikes. And look at this beast. Look at the engine on that. Wow. Suzuki also have a stall here. There's the new V-Strom. Very nice looking, the new design. Plenty of food options as well. Lots of snack stalls. A little bit too early for them to be selling beer, and not advisable for a biker's meet. Okay, they're all preparing to go now. Just listen to all these engines. Hundreds of them, all at once. Some beautiful bikes on the road today. What was that? Wasn't a bike? Here are the sporty bikes. folks. Thanks for watching. That's the 2022 Unity Ride at the Masskara Festival in Bacolod City. See you on the next video.